traveling up the mountain to the sand caves. It's so slippery. This ain't the way to go. Here we go. Yes, I'm breathing heavy already. Cause there ain't no mountains in Beulah Battery, Alabama. So by the time I got here the first time I did this, I couldn't breathe at all. And I had tennis shoes on. I was slipping and sliding. I was scared to death. Don't worry, we're getting closer. I don't want to go that way, but I'm also nervous about this rock. It ain't pretty, folks. My mountain climbing. Okay, flat ground. That's good. That's so pretty. Alright, let's keep going. We made it this far. Let's see how much further we can make it. These boots sure do help. I mean, but that water feels so good. Let's go see if we can't get in it. All right. There are children down here, so we're gonna point at the ground for a minute because I feel like that's the respectful thing to do. Whew. Holy moly. Yep. I'm in the cave. All right. Go to the ground. Whew.
No, this is just demonstration.
Yeah, I didn't know the best way to come down here. Well, the sand slides too. But I got it on the, I'm facing the ground because I didn't want to get them kids in the video. Back up, babe, just in case you're in that picture. I made it.
You want a picture in the waterfall?
Probably.
Pretty awesome,
Yeah.
you see all up in there?
I did a little bit, but I was trying not to fall.
You can walk up in there, it's really cool.
I think I'm gonna pass.
Yeah,
I think my calf muscles have gotten all the workout they need to get today.
Jumped and climbed up on that ledge way up there. I think I got a picture of him up there.
Well, he's a nut, so.
When it's really going, this is all full and it's,
Right.
It's going off like a waterfall over there.
Well, that's probably why normally there's water in the bottom.
Yeah. Normally there's water all down there where we park, it's all running through there, but it's kind of a dry river, so I ain't gonna complain about it. It's pretty.
I kept it pointed at the ground. I didn't want to get the kids in the video. It's hitting that second ledge and like bouncing off.
Yep. Now when we came here the first time, it was really going.
But I was scared to come up here.
I bet it almost hit that rock. Yeah, it's really running and it's running. Such a cool feature.
All right.
Pretty high. Yeah. And this first one, maybe the Fall Creek Falls higher than that. Yeah, that's what Tony was talking about yesterday. He liked that Fall Creek Falls. Fall Creek Falls is higher than that. Yeah.
All right. Time to head back to the buggy. Might as well film it going back too. All right, what's the easiest way to get back up? I think I'm gonna go the way I came down because there's trees to hang on to. Okay. Don't slip. Oh. Okay. Sit down for a minute. All right, I'm ready. I feel like I've been at the beach.
Have you need help?
I'm just going slow, I'm sorry. Are you waiting on me?
Probably all of it. Yeah, I'm not going to leave
So are we staying with them for the rest of the time? Yeah, that's fine. I can do it.
We're almost there.
I know. It wasn't near as bad as it was the first time we came here.
Yeah, I think it was.
And I had tennis shoes on. I just need some water.
Yeah, you're right. Any time there's water, there's these trees.
Yeah. I gotta figure out what they are. No, I'm good. I'm gonna stop this. All right, we're almost there. Downhill now. Sorry to be breathing heavy. All right. One more downhill walk, and we'll be back at the buggy. And by buggy, I don't mean shopping cart, as we so often say in the South. I mean the machine that we ride in. He went this way. I'm gonna go back the way I came up, I think. Just because there's more trees.